Every small creator says the same thing. YouTube buries the small channels. It's rigged for the big guys. The algorithm just doesn't want you to grow. And I get why it can feel this way. It's frustrating at times. But after looking at hundreds of small channels, the ones stuck and the ones growing, I don't think that's the real reason at all. I think almost everyone that's talking about this, they've got it all wrong. And once you see what's actually going on, you can fix it a lot faster than you think. Stay with me. I'm going to try to break it down here. Here's what I keep seeing. A small channel posts a video about one topic. The next video, it's something totally different. Then a third video that doesn't really connect to either of the first two. To the creator, it feels normal. You're interested in a lot of things. You don't want to be boring. You want to keep it fresh. But to YouTube, the channel doesn't have a clear identity yet. And when YouTube can't tell what your channel actually is, it can't confidently tell who to show your videos to. Think about it from YouTube's side for a second. Every time it recommends a video, it's making a bet. It's saying this specific person is probably going to like this specific video. When your channel has a clear lane, the bet is easy. YouTube knows exactly who watches your stuff, and it can find more people just like them. But when your last 5 videos cover 5 different topics, YouTube doesn't have a clean signal. It doesn't know who you're for. So instead of taking a risk, it plays it safe. It shows your video to a small group. And if that group doesn't respond strongly, which is more likely when the audience is mixed, distribution stays small. That's the real mechanism. It's not that YouTube hates small channels. It doesn't. It's that an unclear channel is a hard channel to bet on. And small channels get hurt by this way more than big ones because big channels have years of consistent signals built up. They can post something a little different and YouTube still mostly knows what they're talking about. A small channel doesn't have that buffer yet. Every video is still teaching YouTube who you are. And jumping topics just keeps resetting that lesson before YouTube ever finishes learning it. Think about 2 different channels. One channel posts how to lose 10 pounds after 40. Then my morning routine. Then best protein powders. Then why I quit my job. Every one of those videos might be good, but YouTube is left asking, who exactly is this channel for? Now go ahead and compare that to a channel that posts how to lose 10 pounds after 40. The biggest weight loss mistake people over 40 make. 3 foods that keep you full longer. The walking routine that burn more fat than cardio. Now, YouTube sees a pattern. You see how that works? And when YouTube sees a pattern, it can find more people who fit that pattern. This actually matters even more if you're a business owner using YouTube to bring in clients. If one video is about your industry, the next is a personal vlog, and the next is some random trend you jumped on, YouTube has no idea who your channel is for, and neither does potential clients that are scrolling right on past. The businesses that get real leads from YouTube are the ones that pick a lane and stay in it long enough for both YouTube and their audience to know exactly what they're going to get. Staying consistent enough on one thing that people start to trust you're the person to go to for that thing. We've been doing this with our own clients for years, and I put the whole approach into a playbook and I break it down. If you actually are a business owner and you want a copy of that, just comment leads down below and I'll send it to you. It walks you through exactly how to turn a clear, consistent channel into actual leads for your business. So here's 3 signs your channel doesn't have a clear enough lane yet and it's quietly capping your reach. Sign number 1, your last 10 videos don't share an obvious through line. Go ahead and pull up your uploads and read just the titles back to back. If a stranger couldn't describe your channel in 1 sentence after reading them, YouTube can't either. That's the first thing to fix. Sign number 2, your audience retention looks completely different from video to video, not just up and down a little, but wildly different shapes. That's usually a sign you're pulling in different types of viewers each time instead of building one consistent audience that knows what to expect from you. All right, sign number 3, your subscribers don't seem to know what to expect from your next upload. If people are surprised by your topics instead of expecting them, that's a sign your channel identity hasn't been established yet, even when you've been posting for a while. So what do you actually do about it? There's actually 3 things. First, very simple. Pick one core topic and write it down somewhere that you can actually see it. Not 5 things that you're interested in, 1. This is the thing that you want to be known for. It's also the thing that you can help people with. every video idea going forward gets measured against that one sentence before you film it. Number 2, look back at your last 20 videos and identify which ones best represent the one core topic that you could talk about. That is your new style guide. Not because the others were bad, but because consistency is what teaches YouTube and your audience what to expect from you. And the third, commit to 10 videos in a row on that one lane before you let yourself branch out again. Usually 10 is enough for YouTube to start building a real accurate picture of who your channel is for. Branching out before that just resets the clock again. YouTube isn't burying small channels because it's against you. It's struggling to figure out who you are because most small channels never give it a clean, consistent signal long enough to learn. Fix that, and you're not fighting the algorithm anymore. You're just finally giving it something it can confidently bet on. And if you want to understand exactly how YouTube builds the confidence over time and what it's actually measuring while it learns, that video's right here. I walk you through exactly what that looks like and how you can actually implement this into your content. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.